Hello everyone, stuni ni khonjong kicha ti zan umta le mu thilu lhagao kidang camera footage sa kona aneki mudo ho chu anve khom heutin ana sei khom ki taw hiti akhat channa hin tiktukal linda dairy kitenu hi ni khat market apana ahung kilepe na hen nupi khat hin kichip na doli khat hi a hin pin aman jong ina a hin kichon hi chu adoli la a koin a phone chu ala do in video chu anala le na hi le hita bang thil hi ana so in a hi Lindan jang hi chi doli en ki choi lut ni khwa panin chun ain sunga en thildi lo hi alhung jing ta en gol gile thilgit ho hi am jing ta en ni khat hi ama jong hin phone a kona avet do a ki che new hairstyle chung jang tho a chun video ana semin ana ho lim le na hi la hit bang hi asu kinin hi.
A lot of people want to see what my hair looks like, so I want to see the sides, straighten pieces of it, and like it's just a whole mess. Dang it. That scared me. Okay. God, what the was that? Did you see that? Like it ran. Oh no, absolutely not. No.
Hilaya hen amma hen asam che dan la new hairstyle chung sang tho hen a ho limin hetin jun video chu akila le na hila phone hi ahung ki pai tha in aman jong akhela le ma hi sen aga ve in hi chun asamin phone camera ahung ki tol hi ki chi te in akimu thei in hi
See that? Like it ran. Oh no, absolutely not. No.
Lindan jong en sunga hit bang thilam dang ta ho alhun ji hi chi doli ho mong su a hina dem tin chun aman jong ni khat hi doli khat hi ala doi video a semin tot num na le holim nan ane na hi le hit bang thil hi ana su in a hi
What the? Okay, I didn't plan this one. Chucky was just supposed to pop out, but his hair is moving. Holy shit. What the hell? Okay, I really do. Oh no, move, God. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, joke's over. Joke's over.
Hilaya hen doli asam hi huimut lo be in asamin asanin ama jong hin lungdang to in ave ve na hi la kidang ti in doli lu chang hi ahung ke pe na hi la ama jong ti zata in hila kunin chuna ana pot den atot jong su hila chuna angai lai zan khat jong hi aji pa to alu pe henin polama kot lama chun ipm khat hi ahung ki su su jing na hi la ama ni jong hin gut sa mi som alu la mi phalo khat hin thil phalo khat hi abor gut hiding in chun aging mo hanin amanin jong police o ana kul hanin police o ahong thon pha tin chun imacha hol do le mudo su ahum puin amani kot maya cctv footage sa konin chun hitabang thilam dang ta zo hi mudo in aumin hi
yeah dude something's in her fucking window right now bro
Stop being hyper please, it's scaring me.
Ready?
Yeah.
Something's in her fucking window.
Yeah.
We didn't move. Okay. We didn't move off the bench. She's not here.
hilaya hin kidang ten akimu thailo khat hin in sung lama ko hin window kot kha hi akai lu nin a hi chule lindan asaina chun police o ahung lung ka asin chun amale ajipa alup na ko na hoima apot do lo dan thu jong chu asai chi ni hi chujong le azinga thaya en adoli ho thumlang hi anam ngen adoli man chung chang tho chun linda jong hin ke pa thu sin aki u do do chun hit ho si chu aki pu di tai tin ana se na hi ani channain California gama aki mangta lo han mo lui ta khat sunga en high school khat hi ani ki sa in hecha high school sunga chuna thi ho het jing na ding in athi ho memorial stone hoyang chu aki ta pi in a hi chule hecha high school jong hi aki sei gim nei zap zap ji in hila chun tiktikor skit ki ti pa jong hin na na tong ji in aman zong ni la khat na to zo pe ni hin hi chi high school chung sang tho chon video ana semin an ho lim le na he le hit bang thil lam dang ta hi an record do in a hi.
But you guys know this school was built on a cemetery. I don't know if that helps my situation or not, but previous janitors that have worked here have tried to tell everyone that, you know, every night something happens, some spooky, I don't know, paranormal or whatever you want to call it, but I was in here cleaning up after some students had thrown a party, but what's been freaking me out is this one right here. No matter where I'm at in the classroom or what I decide to do, it just follows me. And do your thing, you stupid balloon. I got you on camera now, so let's just see? That right there. Just ooh, okay. See, no. It just follows me no matter what. Ooh. No, I can't.
Hilaya hin red balloon khat hi achang se in a chombi in ano min hi si chu aman jong hoi te na ve na hila ana sanin chule kidang ten hi chi red balloon chun ama anung nung hi a hin zui jingin aman jong ti zata hi chu awat jing lain chun anung lama ko na kunin hun mi khat ahung thlei pil lau hi akimu in ama jong ki chate in hila kunin chun ahung jam do in a hi chule aman jong hilaya athil tu le athil record do su hilaya pang security pa chu avet sa na hila security pa jong chu ti zat na le lungdon nan abo min a hi.
You see how
It's falling out the classroom too?
Look at the back though. Look at the class with the white.
What the
I'm not crazy. You saw that, right?
Nah, bro. Nah, man.
How long you been working security here, man? How long you been working security?
I've been here a few months, but bro, I ain't never seen nothing like that.
Hilaya lang le ki mu Lhagao hui hi chilai than mula ana thia ana ki bui ho Lhagao ti lo su thildang gin mo theiding ima aum puin a hi chule I ti le hilai than mor songa hi school ana ki sakho kho hi dem mundang hi acho zo lo le ong lo a hi dem ole ipt a hi dem thusin satwang su a ke pui athum sanna hin mi pakhat hin office a kona in lam ahung ki lepe ni hin aman jong ain sung langa window a konin hitabang thelam dang ta hi anamu doin an record doin ai hilaya hin ama pa hin lai hi a hin va en a hi le hilaya ki mu thel ki dang hi anom tapuin a hin hoita en hi chi glass hi tha vet kit lew hen hi chi Lhagao phalo aum na lai hi ami te ni a ven a ki mu the na hi chule hi chi thil hi a viver stam te en hi chi window panglanga cho sa er la mi ham phat hi dinga in sunga pana hi ki gal mu hin te tin jong ana sayuvin ama pan jong approve na en amon ta su ana ka min ana vet sa en hi imo thei so ke ta ve hilaya hin asung anui abing in asangin hilaya hin mi elo la galing ima din na thei ding la na thei ding mun jong aum poi na hi asute hilaya ki mu thil ki dang ta su ipi a hi ta de ali chan na hin isolated mountain road ki ti mun a hin zana hin rider mi khat hi ahong phei hlein hi le lam pe hen thilam dang ta khat hi an record do in a hi hilaya hin mihim tabang neu cha khat ki chi be se lo khat hin lampi a hin pal su a lam thang langa a hlei su hi akimu thein a hi ama pa jong ina hlunin a camera footage su anung cheng na hi le hitabang thilam dang ta atu su lungdon na leti za nain analo demin a hi chule ipithil chu a hi ta dem ki chi be se lo lampi a hin pal mihim sanga jong neu a hi anga sannain England gama tiktoker listen kitinu hi ama jong jingka jingpi khowa masang ain walking siding in akwat na konin sun ahung podo na hile thil kharin ahin suki chalhe jegin ama jong ananung hleilu ni nahi hilaya hin ipia hi ki hello galhing kidang ta khat hi ahung leng hen ama nu hi ana suki chalhe jengin ama jong ain sunglam asun kin chalen ananung theilut wang ve na hi chule hilaya hung leng thil kidang hi Lhagao ham galhingam ipi ham jong a ki he chin puin sap te chun ferry tin jong a savin ai hon wang ipi a he iti dau hitam hitabang thili mu jong a ki mu khapuin he jong a ki he khapuin a hi I ham te agin mo thein het kha wa hila common lama in saying in ikitim vi agup sanna hin truck driver tiktoker low boy ken kitipain markan Illinois town nga zan thimno ya truck a hin tol phei pe nin hin hitabang thilam dang ta hi anatu in a hi
she can get him to confess. And it's a tough decision, I'm sure, but Amy ultimately agrees. She wears the wire.
namu them hilaya hin numei van kanga ki van khat hi gari zala hin almost alo hila asi hi akimu the na hi truck driver panjong athil mu chu kidang asa dan le atizat dan thu ho chu an se na hi
I thought it was really weird. It creeped me out. I had goosebumps for like an hour straight on my arms. It was really creepy. It was scary.
chuzong le hilaya ki chat ti za le kidang ta khat chu hilaya van ka ki van numei Lhagao kidang ki mun a hen azing na la en hichlai mun don lai ta hen gari accident ano min mi ni hin a hin kho na san loi na hi
A close eye on this crash on I-57. What's the latest?
Indeed. Unfortunately, I have sad news to report about this crash here, Laura. State police now reporting 2 people have passed in this incident here.
hilaya hen passenger mini aso sa akisuka hospital a umten report api danin sun hilai muna nu mai van ka ki van nu amu wa hi chu apel do gut na wa hit bang tu sit atu danin a save ni chule atu masapa tiktoker low boy in jong head dan dung zu in hil chit na an bolin hi
Had another driver reach out to me after I posted it on Facebook that he was going through there about 20 minutes before I did with another driver right behind him, and they seen the same thing as I did. Today, at the same time as we went through there was a car accident, multiple cars. 2 people ended up dying. 2 people went to the hospital. Well, the 2 people that went to the hospital gave a statement that they seen a white figure in the road, and that's why the one car swerved into the other car.
hitabanga thil su kidang ta asu zo nungin koiman hichlai lam pilang suzan mu thimnu ya anazot pa ji ta pu vi nahi asagi sannain YouTuber Smart TV Canada kiti Paranormal timo hin London gama kumsom la kumnga wal anake mangtalo factory lui ta khat hi explode aga bol vina hi le tizat thilam dang ta khat hi mudo in anu mina hi
Who's there? Hello? Hello? Who's there? Anybody there? What's making that noise?
namu them hilaya hin muthim la hen avam ngan mi khat room sunga awalut hi akimu the na hi amo hin ape ni hin head do le mu do ima ananei povin anunga a video YouTube lama upload na awa hin a viewers tamten hi chithil su a hin point do vin a hi le am hon jong a hin head over vin alungo anadong theile jeng vin a hi ai pi hila loi te ho tu ne ading in hin hisanin a ki chai tai na hon jong ngai lu na nei ta like subscribe sel ni na bol pi ding win ka hin te mi video thale ana ke mu tau te